guys, Resin Girl here. I'm really excited to show you this next tutorial. I'm going to be doing a larger paneled ocean resin art piece. All right, so the canvas has been prepped, it's been gessoed, it's been taped off with painter's tape, and I've leveled it. I have my gloves on and I've got my art resin, and I'm about to create an ocean masterpiece. I've got my hardener. Remember, it's equal parts hardener and resin. And I'm going to start mixing. I am using this blue art resin. This is a gold art resin. I like to use that for the sand. And I have white for the waves. I will use this blue for darker and lighter parts of the ocean. And I also have some mica powders in different shades of metallic. All right, let's do this.
I was trying to create cells and lacing in that white portion of the water and was trying to break it up. The resin had been sitting for too long though and was not as fluid and moving around, and I think I had missed the opportunity to create those cells and lacing in that portion. And unfortunately I burnt the resin and I had to take out the hard piece and patch it up.
And there it is, hanging on the wall. I am super happy with how this turned out. As you get closer, you can see the lacing on those crashing waves in that center one there, and this wave up here. I like how it goes with the three blues, from turquoise to lighter to darker, and the gold. I used the metallic mica on the sand.